Maynard Roofing offer a full range of roofing services in central London and throughout Hertfordshire. No roofing job is too big or small for our experienced team to handle. We are so confident you'll be delighted with our work that we do not ask for a deposit. We guarantee a competitively priced and reliable service, and there's nothing to pay until satisfactory completion of the work. We only use top-grade roofing materials, which allows us to offer extensive 10-year guarantees. You'll be pleased to know that all work is carried out by our directly employed team, without the need to employ outside subcontractors. Our objective is to get the job completed on time and on budget. For a free, no-obligation quotation for your roofing needs, call us today or visit our website for more information.